Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Hi guys, welcome back to my space. If this is your first time tuning in on my video, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in again. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my night routine while on mini braids. Okay, this is the hairstyle I wore during the day, so let's go ahead and take it out. So I just took out the hairstyle, and this is what my mini braids are looking like. These mini braids are 3 weeks old. So guys, this is the oil I'll be using on my braids. I'm using this oil every night on my hair. This oil is made from garlic and onions. If you have made a research concerning these two ingredients, you will know that they are very powerful in growing out the hair because they help to circulate blood around the scalp. They contain sulfur which strengthens the hair strands. They also fight against any form of scalp issue. So guys, I'll be using this oil on my hair every day, on my scalp and on my hair strands every night. If you want to grow out your hair in mini braids, you should try this remedy. Alright, I already have a video on how to make this hair growth oil on my channel. You can go and check it out to learn how to make your own garlic and onion oil. So guys, as you can see, I'm concentrating on my scalp and around my edges because I'm also trying to grow out my edges. So after making sure that I put the oil all over my scalp, I'll go ahead now to rub the oil all over my scalp. After that, I'll start massaging. So guys, right now I'm massaging my scalp. As you can see, I'm just moving my scalp around. I'm not scratching it, I'm just moving it around. Massaging helps to improve blood flow to the scalp, and if blood flow is circulated on the scalp, it helps to improve hair growth. Alright, so this is my night routine on mini braids. This is what I normally do every night to grow my hair out on mini braids. So guys, if you are watching this video up to this extent and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, and if you have tried making onion and garlic oil, let me know in the comment section. Also drop your experience with them. Did they work for you? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so guys, before you use this oil, you can go ahead and do your own research and be sure of what you are putting on your scalp. Alright, so guys, I will leave you all to watch to the end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Alright, see you all in my next one.